Good morning, sunshine. So today's the 26th. Hope you had a great Christmas. And we have, including today, we have 6 days left in the year. And here's what I want you to do. I want you to start today. I want you to make the shortest, tiniest little video, even if you say, Mary had a little lamb, blah, blah, blah. Some silly thing, even if it's only 5 seconds, even if you just delete it right after you make it, just do it. Just do it. If you do this, by the end of the year, by New Year's Eve, you will have done it 6 times. If you keep doing it every day, even short, silly, delete it, don't ever show anybody. If you do it until mid-January, you will have formed a habit of just pressing record, blah, 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 and you'll be well on your way to being as watchable as possible and rocking your online videos. Please, for me, but especially for yourself, just this one time. Just this 21 times. It's only going to take you 15 seconds, so that's not an issue. I understand. It's embarrassing. You feel dumb. I felt all those things. So just press record. Hold your phone up above your face or equal or even with your face. So you look your best to yourself and just do it. And I want you to let me know in the comments. Just let me know, yes, Hill, I'm doing it. I'm rocking. I'm started. You never have to show, I know I'm repeating myself, but you never have to show anybody. You never even have to look at it yourself, ever. Just please start. Okay, bye.